Hey George, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO, and today I had the privilege of speaking with Maria, who thought you would be interested in this video I'm about to show you. So today I'm going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away to get more, to increase that online presence and get more organic leads. It is important to mention that 70% of your organic leads stem from your website. So it is important that your website be fully optimized. So as you can see, we're on your website and it looks like you do have separate pages for each of your services, which is great. That's exactly what you need. And I noticed you serve the entire Kansas City metro area. So if you don't have service area pages, you really should have them for each of the service areas. So you can be found in each of those communities for the services you offer. I'm seeing a little bit of content here. Okay, so I see a little bit of content, but not a whole lot. So Google does not rank a website based on appearance. They have robots called crawlers that go out and index all of your pages, pulling your content for your keywords so that they can rank you for those keywords and put you in front of your customers. So just one moment. Sorry about that. Now, what Google likes is a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage that are focused on your local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords that people are actively searching for the services you provide in your service areas. They may not know the name of your company, but they know the service that they're needing. And that's what they're going to be Googling, especially in an emergency. They're going to be less likely to care what the name of your company is, but who is going to be the fastest company they can get to their property. So you definitely want to be one of the first people that they see. So you're going to need 100 to 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword that you're trying to rank for. And the same goes for all of your other pages. You need to have the content strategy built around those buyer intent keywords for each of your services and also your service areas, and making sure that all pages have their own unique content. One of your top competitors for Kansas City is PowerDry when it comes to the emergency restoration portion of your business. Now, they have a nice website. They have the separate pages for each of their services. You can see they're going after those local buyer intent keywords. They have repetition of the keywords, which is what you need for indexing those keywords and ranking. And they have some additional content here. And here they have the separate location pages, each with their own unique content. So in order to beat this competitor and others, you're going to have to make sure that you have more content throughout your website than they do, and you're going to need to dial in that content and keyword strategy. The next part of that is going to be search engine optimization. This is a program called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. As you can see, you have a rating of 11 out of 100, which isn't too bad. This score is based off your backlinks and referring domains. You have 493 backlinks. It's important to note that not all backlinks are created equal, so you do need to make sure that you have high quality, authoritative backlinks that are related to your services and do follows. You will need more of these than your top competitors for each of your services in every one of your service areas. And you need not just more in quantity, but also better in quality. You have been indexed for 67 keywords, but you're only seeing 46 people on average to your website. Looking at your keywords, you only have one keyword, which is a brand, for the home page. So you definitely need to work on the content and keyword strategy. Looking at your competitor, they have a rating of 15 with 730 backlinks. They're being indexed for over 387 keywords, and they're getting over 318 people on average to the website per month. And that's with less services than you're offering. So you really should be having even additional traffic on top of just the restoration services. So you're missing out on quite a bit of potential customers. Now, backlinks are when one business links to yours and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant the website is to your industry, the more authority and power it's going to give you. When they are do follows, they also share the power of those high ranking sites to help you rank faster. And then the other thing to mention is that these should be tied closely to your keywords so you can rank for your keywords and be found for your services in each of your service areas. And just at quick glance, looking at those backlinks, it looks like the majority of these are all going to your home page and are all branded. So while it does help for your branding and ranking for brand, it's not actually helping you to be found for your services. So you do need to spread those out appropriately so you can start ranking. Excuse me. So the next thing is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in this top 3 section for all of your service areas in each of your relative keywords, because 30% of people go straight to the maps and won't go any further. So when you're not in this top 3 section, you're sending all those leads to your top competitors. In order to be in this top 3 section, there are a variety of factors, but the most important is citations, which is the name of the business, an address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, etc. So you'll need more of those than your top competitor. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website can be number 1 across Google for all of your relative keywords in each of your service areas. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either apply the information I've given you yourself, which is completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give us some feedback and let us know what you thought of this video. However, if you would like help getting any of this done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.